Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm Nancy Wu. Today, I would like to share a life lesson that came from an unexpected experience. I was no plan to watch a play today. After attending cooking class at the Tzu Chi Foundation, I took a walk at the Weiwuying National Kaohsiung Center for the Arts in Kaohsiung. While I was walking, I noticed a theater performance. I decided to buy a ticket and watch it. At that time, I knew nothing about the story. The play was about a funeral makeup artist who could communicate with people who had passed away. Through her conversation with the deceased, many untold story, regrets, misunderstanding, and unfinished love were revealed. As the story continued, I realized that everyone has a story behind their life. Some people could not let go misunderstanding between parents and children. Someone could not let go of love. Others never had the chance to say, I'm sorry, thank you, I love you. When the performance ended, my heart felt very heavy. My heart felt very heavy and don't know why. I could not stop thinking about it is just for a long time. Perhaps it was because I never expected a play to be about life, days, and saying goodbye. The title of the play was Hello, I am a funeral makeup artist. Hello, I am a funeral makeup artist. I'm not sure whether it is related to the famous Japanese film Departures. I will need to learn more about that. The stage looks so real, and because it was an evening performance, I feel completely drawn into the story. As each scene unfolded, I was not only thinking about the life of characters, I also began to think about my own life. At that moment, it was not longer just a play. It became a lesson about life. I suddenly understood that when life comes to an end, argument, pride, anger, and resentment no longer matter. What truly matters is whether we have loved someone, forgiven someone, and treasured the people around us while we still had the chance. Life is full uncertainty. We never know whether a tomorrow or unexpected event will come first. That is why we should treasure today, cherish the people we love, and never wait too long to say what is in our hearts. Sometimes greatest lesson in life come when we least expect him. This evening, I thought it was simply going to watch a play. Indeed, I received a valuable lesson about life. Life is too short to hold on hearted. Life is longer enough for us to choose love, forgiveness, and gratitude. Let's go resentment. Let's go of attachment. That learning to forgive. Treasure the people in front of you. Thank you for your listen. If today's story touched your hearts, I hope you remind you to treasure every moment and every relationship in your life. Treasure today, forgive freely, love deeply. I am Nancy Wu. See you next time on Four Virtue of Life by